Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is actually my first video, so I figured why not do something a little fun and go ahead and make a sugar scrub. So I don't really have a set recipe for this, so I just went ahead and kind of guessed it out. Could be wrong, we could tweak it along the way. So far I have a cup of just regular coffee grounds, whatever you have on hand. And then I also have a cup of sugar. It's brown sugar, but you can use white. I like brown better. And then 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and also a good couple scoops. I think I did 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. So have all that set. I'm gonna go ahead and start piling everything in my bowl. What I do really like about this scrub is the fact that you can really use whatever you want, and I kind of wanted to do something for the holidays, a little bit warm to hand off to my friends for gifts. So what I'm doing is just obviously putting everything in here. I'm gonna take a second and warm up the coconut oil. As you can see, I warmed it up, made it kind of liquid consistency, because you know coconut oil gets hard. I did just use like a regular organic coconut oil. Again, it doesn't matter. You can use olive oil, like extra virgin olive oil, really just kind of whatever you have. So you just go in and mix it up. Alright, so I have it all pretty mixed up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and maybe add a little bit more of that brown sugar. I do want to make these as a gift, and so I want to make a lot of it. Alright, so I'm back with my brown sugar, and I think I'm just going to go in and put a little bit more, just till I kind of feel like it's a good consistency. That should be good. This is actually my first YouTube video that I've ever done. Might be noticeable. I've been wanting to do YouTube for a very long time. Honestly, since I was like 14, I am now 22. So I figured, you know, what's a better time than now? I realized there's gonna be awkward times, awkward videos, awkward starts. That is okay. What I'm kind of more nervous about is the editing, because I know a good edit really makes like the video. Alright, now that you got everything mixed up and just how you want, once again you can kind of go in with your hands if you need to. Go ahead and grab a jar. I have this pretty fun one here. And just start scooping. I think this is probably going to be a good amount for like probably 3 jars. These are 12-ounce jars. So I think I'll fill up 3 jars with this. So I'll leave like the full recipe down in the description about how much I used. So yeah, I think that's about it. You can also take your jar, you can make it look pretty. I'm probably going to put a ribbon around it. Obviously it's for Christmas, so I might. And here's the jar. And I'll zoom in to a full up of what everything looks like at the end. So. Alright, well thank you for watching my video. And I hope that you like my channel and you wanted to subscribe to me. I think that'd be pretty neat. I plan on making a bunch of different videos, hopefully at least once a week, maybe twice. I am a mom of a 15-month-old boy, so I want to post mommy videos and vlogs, and I think tomorrow we're going to go and see Santa, so I might vlog that, so stay tuned and let me know what you guys think. Please give me feedback. Alright, Merry Christmas.